Good morning, algebra students, and welcome to lesson 3-8. Well, the first part of it anyway. Today we're going to talk about something new called unions and intersections of sets. So you might need to pause the video to write down some of our new vocab and go ahead and do that. But what we're going to talk about today is a union. So a union means all the elements of two sets, right? So if you have set A and set B, it means everything in both of them. An intersection is only the elements the two sets have in common, right? So if you have two sets, only the two that they both have. And then the last one's called disjoint, and that means that you have two sets, but they have nothing in common. Okay, again, you can pause the video if you need to, but I'm going to jump right into problem 1 here to show us how we're going to do this. It says, in your left pocket, you have a quarter, a paperclip, and a key. In your right pocket, you have a penny, a quarter, a pencil, and a marble. What is the set that represents the different items in your pockets? Okay, so it's saying if it's representing the different items in your pockets, that means everything in either pocket. Okay, and so that would be talking about a union. That's all the elements in both sets. So what you would write that is like your left union right. Okay, and this is the symbol for union. It's like a U without the tail. And so that means everything in the pockets is equal to, and then you do a bracket. Whoop, like that. And then we're going to list everything that is in both pockets. So we have a quarter, which I'm going to list as QU, a paperclip, PC, and a key that we have in your left pocket. In your right pocket now, you have a penny, which I'll list as PE. And you have another quarter, but you're not going to list that again because you've already listed quarter from your left pocket. You have another pencil. Again, you're not going to list that again. Oh, I'm sorry. Nope, we listed a paperclip and a penny. Sorry. Oh, I got confused here. So we are going to list the pencil. So we got to list that PEN. I got confused. This PE was for the penny. This PEN for pencil. And we have a marble. And that is the list of everything in both pockets without duplicating. That is called a union. And that's how we do it. All right. Let's do the next one. So this is intersection of sets. And this is a little bit more of what we're going to see in these lessons. Okay. So it says set X equals X is the set of natural numbers less than 19. Okay. Remember, natural numbers start with 1 and then move on up on the whole numbers. Y is an odd integer. And Z is a multiple of 6. So it says, what is X union Z? Meaning, so we get to use these two sets. All natural numbers less than 19 and Z is multiples of 6. So which numbers are natural numbers less than 19 that are also multiples of 6? They have to be both sets. So you would write it like this. X union Z is equal to, all right, so let's think about it. The first multiple of 6 that is less than 19, but in our natural numbers is 6. The next multiple of 6 less than 19 is going to be 12. The next multiple of 6 less than 19 is 18. And then our next multiple of 6 is going to be above 19, so that's it. This would be our union of sets. Or I'm sorry, our intersection of sets. Intersection. All right. Intersection is only the ones that we have in common. The next one is what is Y intersect Z? And notice the intersect, I should have pointed this out earlier, has an upside down U. It kind of looks like a lowercase n. So what is Y intersect Z? So what odd integers are also multiples of 6 is what we're asking us. So we would say Y intersect Z equals, all right? So let's think about this. Think about odd integers that are going to be multiples of 6. Well, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. Are there any odd integers that are multiples of 6? And the answer is no, there's not. So this is an empty set. This is what we would call disjoint. Okay, so sometimes we do this and we have disjoint sets, meaning you try to find elements that they have in common and they have none, and that's a disjoint set. Okay, so homework tonight is to do numbers 1 through 15 on 3-8 practice. And that would be all of these unions, intersections, and disjoint sets, numbers 1 through 15. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Have a good rest of your day, everybody.